Getting index, column, pairs for true elements of a Boolean data frame in Pandas. Say I have a Pandas data frame and I want to obtain a list of tuples of the form index 1, column 1, index 2, column 2, describing the locations of all elements of the data frame where some condition is true. For example, is there any way to obtain, to return, or some equivalent? Evidently, I can do. But I imagine something better may be possible, already implemented. In MATLAB, the function find combined with sub2 do the job.
My approach uses multi-index.
If you want a single tuple for each row index,
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.